Hi guys! Today I want to share the top 3 things I wish Jetson Bolt Pro included in their design. These are not safety tips or warnings similar to what I made in the last video. These are things I noticed after riding Jetson for months, and I wish they included that in their design. Number 1. The pedals. This e-bike comes with standard pedals. I wish they considered the folding pedals instead of standard pedals. The folding pedals would make it easier to store or transport in the trunk. Number 2. Gear noise. When you set the bike to cruising, you can still hear the gear noise since the pedals are not moving. I wish they had a way to make it quiet. Number 3. Back rack or basket. I use this bike to grab small stuff from the grocery store on a daily basis. I wish it had a small basket to help me transport these items easily. These were my top 3 things I wanted to share with you today. It is all based on my personal observation and honest opinion. Please watch my other videos for more interesting facts about Jetson Bolt Pro. Thanks for watching.